So yummy. So crunchy.
Hello everyone! You might remember me from my cooking tutorial on my time at the countryside. But today, I want to step in front of the camera and say hello properly. Hello again! And share where I have been. Since the last time we spoke, my life has changed completely. I've been busy raising my beautiful daughter, who is now 16 months old. She's been my whole world, And the family is growing again. I am now 18 weeks pregnant. But even all the change, my passion for cooking never went away. Being a mom has taught me so much about the meaning of family and the joy of sharing a meal. I decided I didn't want to cook alone anymore. So let's meet my brother and my sister. This is Nick and Evelyn.
Hello.
And from now on, we are going to cook and eat together. Sometimes we stay home and sometimes we go on food trip together. So let's get back to our recipe today. Wow, looks so yummy. Let's taste it.
So good. So yummy. So crunchy. So yummy. So crunchy. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.